You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this scientific word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more names from biology, more scientific names, stay tuned. This is the name of a fungus. Can you pronounce the plural of fungus? What is it? Stay tuned. I've got a video for you. In English, this is pronounced as mycorrhizae, mycorrhizae, or mycorrhizae, mycorrhizae, or mycorrhizae. Some may pronounce it mycorrhizae. I don't think that's... Anyhow, what do you think? How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.